Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss. Today I discuss substantiable development. Substantiable development for class 10th. Unit 1 and chapter number 5. My dear student, first of all, I discuss what is the substantiable development. Substantiable development, it is concept that appear for the first time 1987. The concept was 1987, first time indicate this development, and the publication of the Brundtland the 1987 the Brundtland report, the first time introduced in the substantiable development. This report is the working of the negative environment consequence. This report is mainly related to negative environment consequence. Substantiable development is introduced 1987, and this development is the first time report in the Brundtland report, and this report is mainly related to negative environment consequence of economic growth and globalizations. Economic growth and globalization. This report is mainly depend upon three parts: environment consequence, economic growth, and to the globalization. Substantiable development, it is the idea that human society live and meet the needs without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own need. I again repeat, substantiable development, it is the idea, this is the idea. This idea is mainly related to the human society must live and meet their needs without compromising the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. This is the substantiable development. This development is used to satisfy the needs of the present without compromising the capacity of the future generations to the balance between economic growth, care for the environment, and to the society. This sustainable development is mainly focused on the capacity of the future generation. First, the capacity of future generation. I am not write down to the all of us that point. I note in the mainly important point. Sustainable development. First important, the capacity of the future generation. Balance between the economic growth and the third, clear for the environment. Clear for the environment. This is the sustainable development. This sustainable development is mainly related to sustainable development goal. That's my second topic, sustainable development goal. Sustainable development goal. Sustainable development, the first time introduced 1987, and this 1987 introduced the first time the Brundtland report, and this report is mainly related to the negative environment consequence and the economic growth and to the globalization. The sustainable development the mainly focus to the capacity of the future generations, balance between the economic growth and the clear for the environment. My dear student, the second topic, sustainable development. What is the sustainable development goal? Sustainable development goal is also known as global goals. This goal is also known as global goals. This goal is also known as global goals. Global goals. And these goals are called from a United Nations to all over the country around the world to address the global challenges that humanity faces, to ensure that all the people have the same opportunity to live a better life and without compromising our planet. This is the sustainable development goal. My dear student, I again repeat, sustainable development goal is mainly known as the global goal. These goals are called to the United Nations. This goal is the United Nations. United Nations. Mainly focus on this goal are related to for the better life. Pehla, better life. Second, better life without compromising. Better life without compromising planet. Second, all people have the same opportunities. This is the mainly focus on this the sustainable development goal. This goal is also known as global goals, and this goal is always time called to the United Nations and the all over world, and mainly focus to the better life for without compromising, and all people have the same opportunity. This is the sustainable development goal. This is my second point. What is the importance? What is the importance of sustainable development? There are so many important. There are 17 such type of importance are to the goals of the sustainable development. These goals are mainly focus on the so many such type of point. First, no poverty goals. First, no poverty. Second, zero hunger. Third, good health, good health. Fourth, quality educations, quality educations. Fifth, clear water, clean water. These goals are mainly related to no poverty, zero hunger, good health, quality education, and the clean water and the clean environment. These are the focus to the sustainable development. So, my dear student, I hope that every student understand the sustainable development. So sustainable development is mainly related to the first and 1987, and the one report is the pass of Brundtland report, and this report is mainly focus on the negative environment consequence, economic growth, and to the globalizations. The sustainable development goals are the sustainable development is the mainly focus on the capacity of the future generation, balance between the economic growth and the care for the environment. Sustainable development goals. The second topic, my sustainable development goal is also known as the global goals, and these goals are called to the United Nations and the United States, and there are so many such type of country are involved in these particular sectors. So this is the focus on the better life without compromising planet. People have to the same opportunity, and third, global challenges that humanity faces, and they are the goals, the sustainable development goals. The 17 important point in the sustainable development goals, but I discussed only for the no poverty, zero hunger, zero better health, better education, clean water, clean energy. This is the sustainable development. My dear student, my next topic is importance of the sustainable development. Thank you so much.